An annuity is a set of payments made at fixed intervals of time. Why is this an important topic in the course? Well, it is important because many financial instruments and products are related to the concept of annuity. Can you think of a financial product that involves an annuity? I'm sure you can. For example, monthly home mortgage payments are a type of annuity. Some insurance and pension payments are an annuity as well. Whenever payments with a constant timing and amount are made, we are talking about an annuity. Now, here is the formula for the future value of an annuity. Future value is equal to R multiplied by the actuarial notation S, where R is the amount of the monthly or yearly constant payments and SNI is the actuarial notation. I know this can be too much to remember, but don't worry, there is a much simpler way. We can use Excel, which would allow us to make the necessary calculations without remembering these long formulas. Okay, so here we are. Our task is to calculate the future value of a 5-year annuity, where we will make constant payments of $100 each month throughout this 5-year period, and where the interest rate will be 10% on an annual basis. We can do this very easily. First things first, let's type each of the parameters in a sheet that we have here. We said that we want to calculate a 5-year annuity. 5 years contains 60 months, and therefore, we will have 60 monthly periods. Each month, we will pay $100. We will have a monthly payment of $100. The interest rate is 10% on an annual basis. We need to calculate it on a monthly basis, given that all of our parameters are expressed in terms of months. I'll divide 10% by 12 and we'll obtain the monthly interest rate. Now, let's use the FV formula in order to calculate future value of our 5-year annuity. First, we have to select an interest rate, then the number of periods, and finally, the monthly payments that we'll make. The other two inputs are not compulsory. Let's leave them as they are. I'll click OK, and here's the output of our formula. Minus 7,743. We need to put a minus in front of the formula in order to obtain a positive value. This is the amount that we will have in 5 years if we make constant payments of $100 at an annual interest rate of 10%. In our next video, we will learn how to calculate payments that will be necessary for a loan based on constant payments. Thanks for watching.